Are you looking for a way to respond to clients instantly, even when you're not available? Imagine having a virtual assistant that's available 24/7, answering questions, booking appointments, and capturing leads, all while you focus on coaching. And if you're not using HighLevel yet, don't worry. Stay with us till the end, and I'll share a ready-to-use template to integrate this AI chatbot right away. For example, we want to automate responses for our appointments. If someone wants to book an appointment or has any questions about it, the Autobot should answer them automatically. So, let's dive in. Create an appointment first. Make sure you have set up an appointment in your Go HighLevel account. If not, navigate to the Calendar section. This is where you can manage appointments. Click on Calendar Settings, then select the Create Calendar option. Now, choose the Personal Booking option. Give your appointment a name, like Personal Development Coaching Session. Select a team member, create a custom URL for your lead, and set the appointment duration, including time and booking availability. You can also configure advanced settings as needed, such as adding a description or setting the meeting location. Once you've completed the setup, click the Save button. After saving your appointment, locate it on the calendar, click the 3 vertical dots, and select the Share button. Copy the appointment calendar link, which you can embed into your website or funnel. Now your appointment is set. Let's create an AI chatbot. Go to the Automation tab and click the Content AI tab. Open the AI session to customize it. Choose your AI session type, like Conversation AI. Create a new chatbot by clicking the Create Bot button. In the Bot Settings tab, name your bot, for example, Coaching Assistant Bot. In the Bot Status section, select the Autopilot option so the bot can respond automatically. Choose the required communication channels for your leads, such as Instagram, Facebook, SMS, chat widget, or live chat. Enter your business name under the Advanced Settings section. Go to Autopilot mode, set the wait time duration before responding, and define the maximum number of messages a bot can send in a conversation. If you prefer manual handling, set the bot to sleep mode. After completing these settings, click the Save button to proceed. Click the Bot Training tab and add your website or funnel URL for your leads. Customize the bot responses by clicking the plus Add Question and Answer button. Enter the most common questions and their answers that your leads or clients might ask. Once you've added the necessary questions and answers, move to the Bot Goals tab. In the Bot Goals tab, set the prompt and additional details so the bot can understand your requirements. Specify the bot's action, such as appointment booking. Select your calendar and configure the other settings as needed, then click Save. Test your chatbot. After setting up the chatbot, you can test it. Enter a prompt in the message box and click the Send button. After the configured wait time, the bot will respond with the answer you've set. And there you have it. We've learned successfully to create an AI chatbot in Go HighLevel, plus an extra gift to help you get started fast. As promised, with the link below, you'll get access to all templates, including the AI chatbot setup. And if you sign up now for HighLevel, you'll unlock an exclusive 30-day free trial, giving you full access to these powerful tools for your coaching business. Click the link in the description to get started and take your client interactions to the next level. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more techniques about Go HighLevel.